We are going to learn how to steep some tea. This can vary. You can do different kinds of tea. We're going to learn how to steep Earl Grey tea, but this method can be used for any kinds of tea, like green tea, herbal teas, mint teas, whatever kind of tea you're looking for. So we're going to take our Earl Grey, and we're going to measure out 3 tablespoons of the dried leaves into our tea steeper. And then we are going to take this and fill it with water from our espresso machine, which sits at about 140 degrees. You don't want to add water that sits much hotter than that because it will burn the tea leaves and change the taste of the tea. And add water right over the tea leaves. And then we are going to let that sit and steep for about 3 to 4 minutes.
A few moments later.
So it's been 3 minutes, and now we are going to pour the tea into our cup. This tea strainer is special on the bottom. When it sits on top of the coffee cup, it presses down and the tea will just drain out of the bottom, leaving the tea leaves in the strainer. So you can see it dropping down. And then that is the tea in the cup. We'll let it finish. And then you can just discard the rest of the tea leaves into the garbage when you are done. You probably rinse it out, but I'm not going to do that right now. Let's see, a drink that is very commonly made specifically with Earl Grey tea is called a London Fog. It's a tea latte, which just means adding steamed milk to the tea, similar to a regular latte. You start with your steamed Earl Grey tea. And then you are going to steam your milk of choice in your milk tin. Put the milk in at our angle, let some air in. Warm enough. I'm going to wipe and purge your steam wand. Most London Fogs also come with vanilla flavoring, so we are going to measure out an ounce. We'll do a 1/4 ounce of our vanilla paste. You'll probably just use vanilla syrup and our raw sugar. Measurements will vary depending on what your shop does. And then we are going to do equal parts tea and steamed milk. So we'll fill the cup about halfway with our Earl Grey tea. And then top the rest off with our steamed milk. Probably give it a stir. And that is how you make a tea latte.